What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Hey, we are headed out for a and I say we as in me and you guys, because it'll be just me, but we're heading out to do a little camping trip on one of these off-airport spots that I've found and I've been wanting to come and camp on. We're finally going to do it. Finally got 2 days in a row. Shouldn't be any rain. Winds are decent. Not super hot. It's gonna be warm, but not super bad. And we're gonna go out and take advantage of it while we still can. So should be fun. Before we do that though, let's go back in time. Last weekend I went to one of these spots and I set up camp, and I'll show you what went into that, getting things ready ahead of time. So today, I didn't really have any big plans of any new places specifically I wanted to go look at that were real exciting. So I thought, I'm going to come out and maybe groom a spot and kind of get it ready for camping. Plenty warm out right now. It's I'd say over 80 degrees out, so it's warm. But anyway, I'm just kind of getting a spot ready. I'm cleaning off a spot right here for a tent. Found a little makeshift rake there. And it's a good shady spot with some, the ground's fairly level and not too full of junk. So I'm just cleaning that up. I'm gonna build a little fireplace somewhere around here, build a little fire pit. I'll clean up the area, build a fire pit, collect up some wood, clean off the spot for the tent, and then be ready to come back and camp here. This spot's just below 10,000. It's like 9,950. So it's plenty high up here. So freaking cool. Just beautiful. All right, well, I've been working away, cleaning up some rocks off the LZ and some from around here and just wherever. Got a nice little fire pit built here. Took a while. Having to haul rocks from pretty far away, or a lot of it. Collected up a little bit of firewood up there, you can see. A lot of that's pretty old and dry, so I got a few pieces that are a little fresher, but I'm gonna have to scour around and find a little bit more wood. But anyway, yeah, pretty well set up. So I'd looked at some other spots kind of in the area, some other potential camp spots, and this spot here was really cool. It's a really neat place. The terrain, the rock, whatever it is here is really unusual and interesting and unique. I'm not a geologist, so I don't know exactly what I'm looking at here, but there were some really cool formations coming out of the side of this hill. And it'd be a cool spot to camp, but there's just really nowhere flat to put a tent unless you go way down in the field and you're just totally out in the open. So that one, wasn't going to cut it, but very cool spot nonetheless. And then, of course, one of the spots I want to camp for sure is the Hidden Valley, or the Secret Valley I showed you guys a while back. I've been back in there a couple times since then. One day I took a pretty big hike up behind the larger rock formation that's off on one side of the valley. And I got up behind this, and these rock formations up there were really cool. Again, another unique rock. The way the layers of these rock formations are is just something different you don't see very often, and just a beautiful spot, totally beautiful up there behind that. And so that's just a neat place, and of course I'll be setting up a little camp area there and going back to camp there. This other spot that I'm going to show you in this video, the one I camped at, just a quick overnight, I just had this vision of coming in there in the evening, catching a great sunset. The view from up on this hill is just phenomenal, and so I thought this would be a great spot for just a quick overnight, come in the evening, leave in the morning, and really just kind of test out the whole process. Dang, what a view that is, huh? Wow. That is excellent. God, some great color out there. All right. Cheers to you guys. Ooh. Oh, that's hitting the spot right now. That is hitting the spot. All right, yeah, well, get a fire going here in a little bit. Got everything pretty well set up. Got some stuff over there in the cooler to make some burgers. So we'll do that here in a little bit. And, you know, that fire's going to feel good tonight. It's cooling off pretty good, so that's going to be real nice to have. And, yeah, looking forward to enjoying it. Well, good morning, guys. Sorry I didn't film anything else. I've just been in a hurry to get home. I didn't sleep very good at all, and I just wanted to get out of here as early as I could. So it's about 6:30. I'm all packed up. Obviously, I'm warming up, and I'm gonna blast off out of here and just get home, maybe take a nap or something. But yeah, it was fun. It was an adventure, that's for sure. Alright guys, thanks for coming along on this short little camping adventure. It was fun, and hopefully we'll get to do a few more before the good weather is gone. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and do so. I'd really appreciate it. Helps out big time. Patreons, thank you guys very much. You guys rock. Appreciate that support of the channel there. And yeah, got the Black Hills Flying coming up next. That should be a good time. So stay tuned for that, and you guys know the deal. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.